Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to upgrade tools. To upgrade tools in Starsand Island, let's go to the Ruins General Store. Show pick station and now find tools. Buy the blueprint and now go to crafting table, select tool and upgrade it. The higher rank you've got, the better tools you can use. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.